So welcome back, and in this video we're going to do the next example, and we're going to plot these points. So we're given these three criteria. So we've got x of t is equal to t squared minus 3. We got y of t is equal to 2t plus 1, and then the interval for t is from -2 to 3. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing that we did in the last video, and we're going to fill out this table using these rules, using these functions, with the parameter t. Okay, and so when t is on this interval, and again we're just going to plug in these values to get an idea of what the graph looks like. And so if we plug in -2 here, we get 4 minus 3, which is 1. And if we plug in -2 here, we get -4 plus 1, which is -3. Okay, and then if we go to t equal to -1, we get 1 minus 3 here, which is going to be -2. And then if we plug in -1 here, we get 2 times -1, which is -2 plus 1, which is -1. And if we plug in 0 for t, we get -3 and +1. Okay. And if we plug in 1, we get 1 minus 3, which is -2. And if we plug 1 here, we get 3. And for 2, we get 4 minus 3, which is 1. Okay. And for this one, we get 4 plus 1, which is 5. Okay, we can see that these are obviously going up by 2, right? Okay. And finally, 3, we get 9 minus 3, which is 6. And we get 6 plus 1, which is 7 for here. Okay, so these are our points that we're going to plot. So again, we're going to plot the 1 comma -3. So 1 comma -3 is right about here. Okay, and then we get -2, -1. So -2, -1. About right there. And then -3, 1. So -3, 1 is right about there. And then -2, 3. -2, 3 is right about here. Okay. And then 1, 5 is right here. And then 6, 7 is right about there. So again, this is t equal to -2, right? T equal to -2. T equal to -1, t equal to 0, t equal to 1, t equal to 2, and t equal to 3, right? And so if we connect this, we get something that looks like this. Okay, and of course, if we put the orientation, right? Don't forget about the orientation. We put our directional signs so that we know how this point is moving with respect to t. Okay, and so now we see what the orientation of this graph looks like. Okay, and we see that it has a curve that goes like this. Okay, So it sort of looks like a sideways parabola. Okay, so now when we come back, we'll do another one, and we'll do the same thing. See you then.